Momo Cooking Channel. Let's homemade restaurant dish at home. This spinach tofu is healthy and delicious, but look at the smooth and soft texture. Yummy! You need only 5 ingredients for this recipe. You may use any sugarless soy milk. Wash mushrooms and remove stem. Wash spinach. Wash enoki mushroom, wring out the water and break with hand. Sliced mushrooms. Chopped spinach. Fold baking paper into steam plate. Crack eggs, season with salt and pepper, then best until frothy. Pour in soy milk and stir well. Arrange chopped spinach in steam plate. Sieve egg liquid. Spinach will float on top. Look at that, so pretty. Cover with food wrap and poke holes. High flame steam for 15 minutes. Let tofu cool down. Once cooled, carefully place it on plate. Flipped tofu with plate on, then remove baking paper. Wow, look at the smooth texture. Flip tofu with plate on one more time. Spinach side facing up, so beautiful. You may serve it as it is or fried it. Fried tofu will have slight crunchy skin texture. I prefer steamed tofu. Cut into 6 square pieces and set aside. Let's prepare the topping sauce to stir-fry mushrooms. Season with oyster sauce, light soy sauce, chicken powder, and cornstarch. Then add 3 tablespoons water and stir well. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add mushrooms and stir fry. Pour in sauce and cook for 1 minute. Pour on top tofu as topping. Homemade spinach tofu is done. Wow, it looks so yummy. This tofu is healthy and easy to make. Save this recipe and share it with your family. Give it a try. You will love it too. Good meal option for diet control too. Today we will cook stir-fried broccoli with tofu. This dish is healthy and low carb. Ingredients are broccoli, chopped garlic, and dried tofu. Sliced tofu. Cut broccoli into small pieces. Fry dried tofu until both sides golden brown. Set aside. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add broccoli and stir-fry. Simmer broccoli with water until broccoli softens. Seasoning with oyster sauce, salt, and chicken powder at taste. Pour in fried tofu. Thicken the sauce with cornstarch water. Cornstarch powder and water ratio is 1:1. Stir-fry broccoli with dried tofu is done. Yummy! This dish is easy and tasty. Give it a try. Let's boil delicious red dates mung beans soup today. This dessert is delicious. Let's start now. Red dates mung bean soup. Ingredients are mung beans, red dates, pandan leaves, and goji berries. Wash pandan leaves and tie a knot. Red dates, remove seeds and slice it. Pour in all ingredients into Instant Pot. Then select Cook Bean button. After 30 minutes, beans have softened. Season by adding rock sugar portion to adjust for taste. It's done once rock sugar melted. Add goji berries when served. Red dates mung bean soup is done. Yummy, so easy and delicious. Share this recipe with your family also. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in next video, yeah.